Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing hardware and choosing the right workout. Put the watch on snugly so sensors read accurately. Charge above 50% to avoid mid-session shutdown. Open the workout app and pick the activity that matches your session: treadmill, outdoor run, HIIT, or other for custom metrics. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is on and pair headphones or sensors. This improves pacing and heart rate tracking. Quick check: do not disturb or theater mode can prevent unwanted interruptions during intense sets. Now configure what you'll track so data stays useful. Tap the three dots to set a calories, distance, or time goal, or choose open when you want flexibility. Enable auto pause for stops and make sure heart rate and GPS are active for accurate zones and route mapping. These settings change split calculations and calorie estimates. If outdoors, calibrate by walking or running 10 minutes once to refine pace accuracy. When ready, press start. You'll see real-time metrics and haptic prompts to keep you on target. Finish the session by swiping or pressing end, then review the summary to see calories, splits, heart rate zones, and cadence. Those numbers explain effort and progress. Once synced to your iPhone, open Fitness or Health to examine trends over days and weeks so you can adjust training load. If you notice missing GPS or HR, first check fit and skin contact. Next, restart the watch and ensure Watch OS is up to date. These steps fix most sensor or recording issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.